Here are two free apps which you can use to generate your videos. You all know Grok is no longer free. You have to subscribe before you be able to generate video. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you two free apps which you can use to generate your videos. This app, they give you credit daily and you can generate amazing videos. For content creators, especially the new ones who are just coming into content creating, I know it's not easy for you to just start something and you start subscribing to apps. They have not even started paying you for the content you are creating and not monetized yet. So it's not easy spending money on app to generate videos. So you can go for these apps. The apps are pretty okay, but truth being said, the work app is top notch compared to those apps. But this app is still going to give you quality videos. If you can actually afford to subscribe to Rock app, you are capable, my dear advice you go for it. And there's this video right here. Do well to watch it. If you really love Rock app and you want to continue with them, in this video I explained how you can subscribe with just $2 instead of paying the $30 on the Rock. It's actually important to watch this video to the end, because in this video I'm not only going to tell you, I'm going to show you how you can generate your free videos with those two apps. So do well to watch it to the end so that you can get it right. So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If this video is of value to you and you want to see more of this kind of content from me, the first thing, you head to your Google. Once you get to your Google, you type in your Quen AI. Then you scroll down, you select this particular one, this Quen AI. Then you click on it. Once you click on it, to bring you to this page. So the next thing, you have to press this video generation, then to take you to this page. So once you get to this page, you'll ask you to sign in. So you have to click on sign in. You can sign in with your Google. So as for me, I signed in with my Google. So after signing with your Google, they'll bring you to this next page. So you have to click on this plus button, then you come to this page and select create videos. Once you click on the create videos, they say describe the video you want to generate. So now we have to go back to our ChatGPT. So I already have my storyline, so I'll just go there and get to the story. Yeah, so I'm just going to look for a short storyline. This video generation is just for 5 minutes, so you just need to get something small, like just 2 lines. So I got these 2 lines. After copying it, I went back to the app and paste it there. So after pasting my prompts, I went to this next page. I clicked on this photo from library, and it took me to my gallery. So I selected this photo. So after selecting it, it will start loading. You give it a little bit of time, depending on your network though. So after loading and loading, a video will start generating, and it's actually really slow, but not really slow sha, but it's really slow kind of. So it has to load from 1 to 100. So you have to be patient when you are doing this. When you are generating your video, don't come with like you're in haste, you want it to do fast, you want it to do fast, then you have to upgrade. If not, you have to be patient. This is a free app, so you have to be patient for it to load. So we have gotten to 99, and here's the video. Let's play it.
Why are you walking away from me? After everything.
You're just leaving. Let go of me, please.
The video is actually nice. So the next, you click on this down arrow to save it. You can save it to your file if you want. So after clicking saving it, it will download. And I saved mine to my file. You can generate up to 7 videos daily on this website for free. So let's move to the next free website you can use to generate your free videos. So the first thing, you have to move to your Google. Once you get to your Google, you type in Digin AI. Once you type in your Digin AI to bring you to this page, you have to click on the Digin AI. Once you click on it, it will load and bring you to this page. Once you get to this page, they'll ask you to continue by signing in. So you have to sign in for you to gain access to this platform. In order to generate video, you have to sign in. So the next thing, this option will come out. Either you sign in with your Google. So I signed in with my Google. So after signing in, you will get to the next page where they'll ask you to describe your video. So we have to move to ChatGPT to copy our video description, like what you want our character to say. So you just have to copy a few lines because the video is just 5 minutes. So after copying it, you come back to your platform and you paste the prompt you just copied earlier. So after pasting it, the next thing you have to click on this plus sign. Once you click on it, select upload image. After selecting upload image, this will pop up. Then you have to click on photo library. Then to take it to your gallery, which you have to select the photo you want to use to generate your video. So at first I selected this photo, but since I've made a video with it, I decided to try new one. So I had to select this first image here. So after selecting, it will load. Then you click on this star icon, which your video will start generating. So you have to wait for your video to generate. So you can see current channel have 165 tags. So we have to wait for about 6 minutes. So you have to be patient though. You have to be patient. You don't have to be in a hurry. In this 2026, nothing is free again. So if you see a free thing, just be patient and use it. So I think our video is ready.
Why are you walking away from me? After everything, you're just leaving?
Harry, let go of me, please.
So the next thing, you have to click on the arrow there and save your video. And one thing is that this video comes with watermark. This particular website, this Digin, it comes with watermark. So after saving your video, you can just do well to crop the watermark out and your video is ready. Hope this video was helpful. Do well to drop an amazing comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.